Hi and welcome back to my channel, Movement with Liz. My name is Liz. This is Aria here. She's going to be the soundtrack for our practice this morning. So you will hear her snoring, but she will have one eye on us at all times, even if it doesn't look like it. Today we're going to do a short morning practice, so something that you can do at the beginning of your day just to get some movement and some energy into your body and set you up so you feel great for the rest of the day. Let's begin on hands and knees. Bring the wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. We'll start with some cat-cow. Take a breath in, drop the belly down, look forward. As you breathe out, press down through the palms, rolling through the spine. Breathing in, drop the belly down. Breathing out, rolling through the spine, tucking the chin and the hips. Do this movement with your own breath. And start to pay attention to where you feel that in your body, what you feel in your body. You might feel a little bit stiff and tight from getting out of bed. And also know that you can do this practice at any time of the day. It doesn't have to be the morning. Do that one more time. Breathing in, drop the belly down. Breathing out, draw the belly in as you press through the palms. Come back through to center. Take one foot out the back. Ball of the foot comes to the mat. Start to rock forwards and backwards. Getting some movement into the ankle. And if you're like me, you might hear some clicks and some clacks happening. I'm going to hold for a bit of a stretch. Press through the palms, lift the hips up. It's kind of like a half downward facing dog. One knee bent, one leg long. Don't worry if the heel doesn't touch the mat. Bring that back down to the ground. Take the other leg out. Gentle rock forward and back. She always gets a good snore on, sometimes with her eyes open. Okay, let's hold for the stretch. Press the hips up, keep the spine long. Bring the knees back down to the ground. I'm going to take some hip circles. You're going to take one leg, take the knee, and just draw some circles around. Do about 5 in one direction, and then 5 in the opposite direction. You can make the circles as big or as small as you like. And again, you might hear some clicks and some clacks of the joints, the tendons. Okay, swap sides when you've done that 5. I love how dogs get out of bed in the morning and then the first thing they do is usually either to the couch or some other area to sleep some more. I'm going to add the upper body now. So we're going to do a little bit of spinal rotation. Take a breath in, reach one arm up. As you breathe out, you're going to take the arm down and through. If the shoulder can touch the ground, awesome. If it can't, that's okay. Just go as far as feels okay for you. Do that again. Breathing in, reach the arm up. Breathing out, down and through. Let's do that 3 more times. One more time, big breath in to reach. Breathing out, arm comes down. Reset yourself for the other side. Press through that palm as you lift the other one up. So really great for your thoracic spine, that part between your shoulder blade area or down below the neck down to the mid-back area. One more time. Okay, bring that palm down to the ground. We're going to take a downward facing dog. So the hands are going to come about one hand's distance out in front. Tuck the toes, press the hips into downward facing dog. Start to walk the feet out side to side. Think long through the spine, really press down through the palms of your hands. Take a breath in, bend through the knees, and then as you breathe out, let the heels sink down. They might get a little closer towards the mat. Again, it doesn't matter if they touch or they don't. Look forward, start to walk your feet up towards the top of your mat, or if you don't have a mat, just whatever you're standing on. Let the body hang here. Bend the knees as much as you need to. You can grab opposite elbows. Take a little swing from side to side. He's so cute. He's so cute. Release the elbows. Bring your hands to your hips. You're going to think long through the spine. Lead with the chest. Come all the way up to standing. Check in with the feet. Make sure they're underneath your hips. So we're going to do some body weight good mornings. So feet underneath the hips, nice and long through the spine. It's a hinge movement from the hips. So take a breath in. Press the hips back. Keep the spine long. As you breathe out, press down through the feet, come all the way to standing. I think Aria's just done a bit of a silent fart there. Thank you, Aria. So, nice breath in. Press the hips back. The knees are going to naturally soften as you tip. Breathing out, come all the way to standing. We're going to do that 3 more times. It's getting a nice stretch down the back of the legs and then engaging them as you stand up. One more time. Take one leg, step it back into a lunge position. So the back knee is going to bend, front knee is also bent. Reach the arms up. We're going to take a bit of a twist here. So breathe in at center. As you breathe out, you're going to twist to that front leg, opening the arms up. Take a breath in, come back through to center, reach up. We're going to do that 2 more times. Breathing out, twisting to that front leg. 1 more time, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, reach the arms up. As you breathe out, bring the hands to the hips, come back to standing, and then fold the upper body forward. Again, you can let the body hang here. Take a little bounce, maybe up and down, or just let it all release. Think top of your head coming towards the ground. Let's go through those good mornings again. Bring the hands to the hips, lengthen through the spine, come all the way to standing. Breathing in, press the hips back. Breathing out, coming up to standing. Do that again. Nice smooth breath in. Breathing out. 1 more time. Take the opposite leg back into that lunge position. Hips are going to stay square. Drop the back knee. Breathe in, arms reach up. Breathe out, keep the spine long, twisting to the front leg. Breathing in, reach it up. Breathing out, twist. 1 more time, breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in, reach the arms up. Hands come to the hips. Step to the top of the mat. Fold the upper body forward. Bring the hands back to the hips, lengthen through the spine, come all the way to standing. Shake your body out a little bit. So I do like to keep it short for the morning, just so you don't feel like you've got to rush through it or that you don't have enough time to do something for yourself. We're going to finish with a lymphatic tapping series, and we're tapping what's called the big 6. So 6 pretty important areas of the body. where our lymph nodes reside. So we're going to tap them, free them up, and then do a little bouncing technique. You're going to feel absolutely great after it. So we're going to start at the collarbone area, just tapping either side. Doesn't have to be super hard. Do that to the other side. You may even start to notice when you do this around the neck area, you start to swallow. That's a good thing. And then coming down the sides of the neck. So we have lymph in our brain. It's called the lymphatic system. And we want that to swap sides. We want that to be able to drain. So we feel good, we've got energy, we don't have brain fog. Coming down now to the armpit area. Just think like you're directing it towards your heart. Other side. And then coming down to the stomach area, I like to just tap in a clockwise direction. And then I come up the center. We've got the biggest lymph node that sits right about here. So if that's blocked, you're going to be blocking lymph, being able to pump back up through the central region. Come to the groin, either side, light little tap. So just doing this tapping sequence in your morning is going to set you up. Come to the behind the knees. And then a light little bounce on the balls of the feet. You can reach the arms up, give them a little shake. You might start to feel some tingling sensations in the body. It's totally normal, it's a good thing. So you could do this bouncing thing for up to 2 minutes. But a little bit of bouncing is better than no bouncing. Start to slow that down. Thank you very much. That was your morning practice. How we go, Aria? She said we did pretty good. All right, thank you very much for joining me. Hit the subscribe button so more people can see this channel. And we will see you in the next video.